2019 Ford F-150 XLT Ecoboost. Look at that. So we'll show you what we did on it. I think you guys are going to be pleasantly surprised. You can see that shiny part there. But it's got a full 4-inch system on it from MAGNAFLOW. Before, there. But it was loose and rattling. That's why we didn't do a before video. So we tacked all the clamps and tightened them down for him. It's got a massive 5-inch tip there. But he said the problem with this 4-inch system is it drones really, really bad. So we solved this for him because these Ecoboost always comes with a resonator. They put one right here, okay? So we went ahead and put him a bottle style large 4-inch vibrant, part number 17960, 18 inches overall length. There'll be a link in the description for it, okay? So this should help him with the drone issue because he puts a lot of miles. He drives a lot for his work, okay? Still got the factory converters there and there under that air dampener, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second, and there'll be a link in the description for that Vibrant. Again, it's part number 17960. There will be a link in the description for it, okay? There's the MAGNAFLOW and the 4-inch tailpipe out the back into a 5-inch roll tip out the back, okay? We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. They tamed it a lot cleaner. Your sound decibels, again. 107. Again. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's really nice and deep. Ford F-150 XLT Ecoboost. F-150 Ecoboost with vibrant resonator and 4-inch MAGNAFLOW bolt-on system. So it's got some upgraded turbos and stuff on it, he was telling us. So, you know, it's fun. Oh, yeah, you see that? Beast mode out of an Ecoboost. Nice. Enjoy, guys.